Usa ka tingog, usa ka katawhan. Cebu Catholic Television Network.
Sing it, Cebu. It's time to let your music come in. Let your song come in. Oh,
Sing it, Cebu. Your listening pleasure is here.
you're all invited in with it, singing around. Saturday's here, singing with pride. The world will now hear. And so sing it and enjoy to be here and join singing. There's no time to leave and now singing. If you join with us here and you will shine, shine, shine all around Cebu. And let it shine, shine, shine all around the world.
Your song,
Your music.
Your listening pleasure.
Sing it, Cebu!
Mayong hapon kaninyong tanan.
Good afternoon, everyone, all over the world. Because of the new technology, we are seen globally.
Welcome to Sing It, Cebu.
And of course,
Yes, welcome ang tanan nun. Yan napunta sa Sabado na usab. Mag-uban-uban napunta sa ato ang mga gitawag og mga facial expression about music.
what kind of facial
Yes.
expression?
Yes, we have to entertain the public so that they are informed that we are a singer.
So are you sure we will be able to entertain them today?
I'm sure because the music is a life. This is a...
English man ani oy.
Oy, may hapon ni ganyan tanan. Nag-English
Music
mi
is
tungod kay
life.
nakahuman na mong gimi sa atong celebration sa atong sinulog.
Wow,
Oo.
that's very
Mauli karon,
successful.
kompleto na.
Congratulations, Sir Jojo.
That's
Congratulations.
why. That is why I'm
Congratulations, Sir
back.
Joe. Oo, for
After
quite a
all-
long time.
Yeah, for a long absence,
Siya,
no?
siya atong guest karon actually.
Yes. Unya daghang katag mga foreigner yung mga bisita atong sinulog, nya gani di gid makalimutan ako nga until now I can I use my English version.
Oh, really? Very good.
Good.
We have some tourists,
Yeah.
no?
Nya shout out day ko dayon sa akong amiga nga si Ma'am Gigi Coca Barnes.
Oh, hi, G.
Si ayang the
Yes,
Fame
Ma'am
International.
Gigi.
Haven't
Yes,
talked to you
Ma'am
for long,
Gigi.
ha?
Good
Dugay-dugay na tawa
afternoon.
magka-istorya.
Basin pag mo sponsor siya nato.
Ay, please. It's
Okay,
much
please,
welcome,
please,
okay?
please.
Okay.
Very much welcome.
Okay, so now,
Now,
we are going to start with the first song na. Okay,
Yes.
ubay-ubay ra ba tagkantaho, no?
Actually, oh.
Ni ago na to ang mga
Puli-
panggiitan ni as Lucille Yu,
Put-
ni as
puli-puli.
Girly.
Girly Lapinid Las Piñas Peñas.
Las Piñas.
So how will you pronounce it, Mr. Jun Villarta?
Las Piñas. Kasi nandun ako sa Manila doon. Dalawang basta duha ka tuig ko dito.
Alam mo,
Three
nagkaroon,
languages man di Tagalog,
Oo.
Bisaya o English.
nagkaroon kami ng problema sa contingent ng Las Peñas.
Oh yeah,
Ay, oo.
I read it. Oh,
Yes.
Well, they solved it. Their LGU has already sent them. In fact, pag uli na, nag-aeroplano eh.
Ay
Wow.
muna nakanindot sa ato ang government official nga naa day support.
Okay.
Labi na sa
Yes.
Jojo.
Jojo pa.
Jojo ko kabar na to. Jojo Labella. Ang atong director sa atong sinulog.
Ang si Kuan, si Mayor Archival, taw ni Tabang sa Muntinlupa, kay kuwang na sa ilang pamliti.
Oo.
Oh, mauli.
So mo ni nakanindot di ano nga bisan pa man sa dili taga dinhi tabangan nga gina sa
Grabe
ato
ang mga Cebuanos, no? Grabe
Ang
yun ang mga
suporta
Cebuanos.
sa usag-usa.
Full support
Yeah,
yun.
and I'm thankful also sa President of Sinulog Foundation, si Mr. Ricky Dakay. And of course, the Vice Mayor, Mayor Tomas Osmeña. Congratulations
Yes,
sa iyang
yes.
BP. Oh,
Congratulations.
yeah,
Oh,
celebration.
Cebu
the
City government.
BPO.
Yes,
Oh my
yes,
God, why
okay.
ano?
It was
Hapsay
really a
kayo.
successful
Of course.
Very
one-good
successful.
event.
Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao were the performers.
Yeah, yeah. Pasalamat lang sa ko sa mga people with the executive committee. Wam na ako ma-mention si Konsehal Dave Tumulak. He is actually the vice chairman for the execom. Unya si Nice Archival. Unya si General Philip Labra, Paul Labra. Unya si Councilor Philip Zafra. And si, of course, si among greatest production director, si Victor Cuenco.
Wow.
Okay.
So nindot kang atong sinulog karon kay medyo hapsay unya sayong
Yes.
nahuman.
Say. Oo, correct. Hapsay
bitaw.
jud.
Ah.
Oo.
Mm-mm.
Dire-diretso gyud.
So-
Actually, I was able to witness it. I was there. Nindot gyud kaayo kanang ang spirit sa Cebuanos ba. Kanang makapanlimbaut balhibog yun. Every performer really did
Yes.
gave their best.
We
Okay.
100%.
Imagine, we have 5.2 million.
Crowd.
Sus, grabe, no?
Sus,
Okay.
ako, mga subscriber na nako.
Aligre kaayo, sir. Gamay lang jud kay dire ka. Hindi ka 1 minute after the sinulog. So I went home. Sus, ang lakaw, grabe, from Sinulog Foundation going to Fuente. Galakaw ra ko.
So, unya na to istoryahan ang sa imong role sa sinulog, okay? Okay, go. Now, ladies and gentlemen, of course, our very first rendition today is from a very professional and a
Yeah.
national figure.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Iyan na tanan.
very young.
Okay, ladies and
Akong
gentlemen.
idol, Miss Girly Las Piñas.
Sayahang breakout.
Break out. When explanations make no sense, when every answer's wrong, you're fighting with less confidence, all expectations gone. The time has come to make a break. Move on, don't hesitate. Break out, don't start to ask. And now you've found a break to make it last. You've got to find a way, say what you wanna say. Break out. Situations never change. Tomorrow looks unsure. Don't leave your destinated trains. What are you waiting for? The time has come to make a break. Break out. Don't start to ask. And now you found a break to make it last. You've got to find a way. Say what you wanna say. Break out. Don't start to ask. And now you found a break to make it last. You've got to find a way. Say what you wanna say. Break out. Some people stop at nothing. If you're searching for something, lay down the low, shout out war, break out and shout day in, day out, break out. Yeah. Break out, don't start to ask. And now you found a break to make it last. You've got to find a way, say what you wanna say. Break out. Start to ask. to find a way. Say what you want to say. Break out.
That
Break
is Girly Las Piñas, tawag ng tanghalan finalist. Unsa pa ito ika-describe niya? Yeah. Bas-
Buenos Pride.
Yeah, Sopranos Pride, no? A very well-known singer. Lami, maganda siya
Oo,
makanta.
ever
yun eh.
since good.
Oo,
Ever since
inila
good.
na siya
Idol
girly.
Ingon
na
Girly Las
pinit,
Piñas.
no?
Ah, the Girly Las
Yes,
Piñas.
daghang may insecure mo kanta diri tungod ni Girly
Actually,
Las
ako
Piñas.
po. Oo, yeah. I heard it.
Dili, oh.
Okay. But she still looks young, di ba?
Very, yes, yes.
Si Goyang.
Very pretty kayo.
Okay, so dita
Thank
maglangan. And the very next, ari na sa Tagalog, no? Aha, Tagalog na sa ta. Okay, so ikaw ang aking
Mahal.
Mayhal.
Totoo?
Ganang, di ko sa
Mahal
outfit,
na mahal
oy.
mo ako.
And I like his squad.
Attire.
Overall, yeah.
You like my face?
His
Next
facial
to the outfit.
his facial appearance, huh?
It's shining,
Og ang
shimmering,
iyahang-
splendid again.
yes, ang iyahang,
Glitter yung outfit.
Oh,
Okay.
yes.
So,
Oh.
ladies and gentlemen, June Villarta sa iyang
Ikaw ang aking mahal.
Itanong mo sa akin, sino ang aking mahal? Itanong mo sa akin, sagot di magtatagal. Ikaw lang ang aking mahal, ang pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan, ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Itanong mo sa akin, sinong aking mahal? Maniwala ka sana, sa akin ay walang iba. Ikaw lang ang aking mahal, ang pag-ibig mo'y aking kailangan. Pag-ibig na walang hangganan, ang aking tunay na nararamdaman. Ang nais ko sana'y inyong malaman, sa hilaga o sa timog o kanluran, at kahit saan pa man, ang laging isisigaw. Girlie, aking mahal, ang nais ko sana'y inyong malaman, sa hilaga o sa timog o kanluran, at kahit saan pa man, ang laging isisigaw. Lucille, aking mahal, Jojo, aking mahal. Ikaw ang aking mahal,
Okay.
Wow, nag-whistle,
Oh, yes,
gid
and
siya
ladies and
do.
gentlemen, that
Wala
was-
ko anang whistle, ha?
Yeah, that was
Oh,
June
si
Villarta,
June
a
Villarta.
very well-known comedian and
Yes.
good singer.
Good face.
Good face, yes.
Facial expression, kay kagaling na yan.
Okay.
Pero ako say makanta ko ng magluyam ako kanang mingo akong kanta kanang ganahan kog dansable ba nya malihok ang buko-buko
Yan
ana.
katuon sa tawag ni mo ito kata ha.
Gatinga.
So, have you mastered that song for long?
No, I'm not preparing the, you know.
It's very English daw.
Okay, so the next singer will be another Tagalog. Okay?
Yes.
Another Tagalog song of
Okay.
Leia Navarro's Isang Mundo, Isang
yeah,
Awit.
Wow.
No other than.
A very jolly song, no?
Yes.
Okay, so
it's all
say-
about love with different languages.
So, lain sa ding
Oh.
nindot mo kanta
Yes.
si Lucille Yu. Very sexy.
Ah.
Ngayon'y mundo'y gulong-gulo at lahat tayo'y litong-lito. Pag-ibig sa kapwa-tao, sa daigdig dapat ituro. Kung bawat puso ay marunong magmahal, kapayapaan, kasiyahan, tiyak na makakamtan. Lahat tayo'y pantay-pantay, sa biyaya ng may kapal. Lahat sana'y akbay-akbay, handang tumulong kanino man. Kung bawat tao ay marunong magmahal, anumang kulay o salita, tiyak na makakamtan. Jet, te amo, I love you. Watashi wa anata ashitimasu. Each libidis, iniibig kita, waidi. Paano man sabihin, ang ito'y turuan natin. Tanging lunas ang pag-ibig. Jet, te amo, I love you. Watashi wa anata shitemasu. Each libidis, iniibig kita, waidi. Paano man sabihin, ito'y turuan natin. Tanging lunas ay pag-ibig. Jet, te amo, I love you. Watashi wa anata ashitimasu. Each libidis, iniibig kita, waidi. Paano man sabihin, ang mundo'y turuan natin. Tanging lunas ay pag-ibig. Pag-ibig. Isang mundo, isang awit, isang sigaw, pag-ibig.
Thank you, Mommy Curly. Thank you for saving me.
Yes.
Yes.
What a wonderful I love you song. Tamaw to naata ng translation sa I love you, but ang wala nga to gihigugma ko ikaw. And we'll be right
Yes.
back. We'll have more for Sing It Cebu after this reminder.
That portion was brought to you by Grab and Move It.
Catering services, call on Lourdes Food Products and Catering Services. They accept catering for weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, graduations, baptisms, conferences, seminars, house blessings, and other special occasions. Ludes Food Products and Catering Services, located at 183 Katipunan Street, Tisa, Cebu City. For reservations, contact Ludes Gomez.
Telephone numbers 2626643 and 2618072 and cell phone numbers 0925-893-3888 and 0922-875-1158.
Ludes Food Products and Catering Services is willing to serve you.
This portion is brought to you by Grab and Move It. CCLEX and FiberNet Broadband Incorporated. Cine Cebu TV Network. Phil Products Group of Companies.
Your daily drive made effortless. For the ones who cross CC Lex daily, this is for you. Upgrade your daily travels with CC Lex RFID. No more fumbling for cash. No more waiting in line. Because your time matters. Get your free CC Lex RFID today. Fast, easy, and hassle-free. Visit cclex.com.ph and click register. Fill out your information. Choose an installation site and present the QR code sent to your email to the CC Lex RFID installer at our customer service centers. No time to register ahead. Walk-ins are welcome. Drop by the customer service centers and we'll have your CC Lex RFID registered and installed on the spot. Fast service, zero stress. Enjoy seamless and faster travels. Thousands of daily travelers have already made the switch from cash to CC Lex RFID toll payments. Don't get left behind. Choose convenience. Choose CC Lex RFID today.
Masin Country Lodge and Restaurant, located at Riverside, Mambahaw, Masin, Southern Leyte. Contact number 053-570-8858. Definitely countrylicious.
That portion was brought to you by Grab and Move It.
Hi!
Yes,
We're
we're
back! Actually, I'm very excited to the next song, sir.
Ah.
Kay, this is actually one of the songs sa Les Miserables. That would be on February 18. But in, I think
Pero
in
nga to
Manila.
na siya sa Manila, sa
Yes.
Soler.
Oh, so nindot ka ng, ang sunod nito mo kanta. Pero ato sa pasalamatan ng sponsor.
Of course.
Yes.
Ato pasalamatan ang ato ang Lourdes Food Products and Catering Services nga na may mutang sa Tisa, Cebu City. Contact lang mo ni Ma'am Lourdes Gomez kung na may mga event sa mga pagkaon nga lamian kayo. Contact lang mo sa tong Lourdes Food Products and Catering Services nga na may mutang sa Barangay Tisa, Cebu City. Inubanan si atong pasalamatan po si Miss Gigi Buntilo nga may mag-andam sa mga pagkaon. Gani, wa pa mo abot.
On the way na daw sila.
Yes.
May kay gutom kay ko. Wala pa ko'y
Dili.
lunch.
On the way na.
Di, kitawagan ako ang ato ang
Ikaw
Grab sa
ba?
sponsor nato na
Gigutom na gyud siguro ka Jun, no.
O nya, ato sa pasalamatan natong Sini Cebu.
Yes.
Inaagyod kung ganahan mo mga internet, nga dali ra kayo.
Internet
Sini Cebu.
connection.
Kay medyo klaro ang akong mga dagway sa kini ato ang salida karon sa CCTN Channel 47. So, ay mo kalim pa-connect na mo sa ato ang Sini Cebu. Libre ang cable, internet ug inyong bayran. Onya ka mo basi na kay pasalamatan ang imong mga gitawag utong mga bayot ba?
Ganahan ko magpasalamat ni Sir Sam Costanilla. Hi, Sir Sam Costanilla. Ningon siya nga. I'll be plugging our movie that we will start shooting this March. So, yes, thank you, Sir Sam. Kay nakasayo-sayo jud kog ari.
Yes, Sir Sam, salamat kayo nun. Yung paano ko makanta ang imong gipa-practice na ko nga mga hubad awit. Ya, ikaw, imong pasalamatan.
Pasalamatan ako ang tanan akong mga kaigsuunan sa Oasis of Love.
Yes,
na
brothers and
ever
sisters.
supportive kaayo sa amo ang coming kanang Walking with Jesus seminar that will be on February 26, 27, and 28. Unya, kung gusto mo nga mo participate, you are still very, very welcome para aning seminar nato. Yeah, and nato na i-hold nato sa Ecotech.
Sa ikot. Nindot kayo mag-seminar sa ato ang Oasis of Love.
Yes.
Nya gani kaning sulod nga mo kanta usa ni sa mga member sa atong Oasis of Love na
Yes.
fresh pa kay na siyang member.
Brother.
Oh, buutan
Brother.
pa kayo.
Ayo.
Brothers and sisters man na kami
Yes.
diha sa Oasis of Love.
Now, dito maglangay.
Kay ganiya pa siya gabarog.
Excited na
Our
kayo siya mo kanta.
Sir Jojo Labella to sing
Stars.
There, out in the darkness, a fugitive running, fallen from God, fallen from grace. God be my witness, I never shall yield till we come face to face, till we come face to face. He knows his way in the dark, mine is the way of the Lord. Those who follow the path of the righteous shall have their reward. And if they fall as Lucifer fell, the flame, the sword. Stars in your multitude, scars to be counted, filling the darkness with order and light. You are the sentinels, silent and sure, keeping watch in the night, keeping watch in the night. You know your place in the sky, you hold your course and you reign, and in your season returns and returns, and is always the same. And if you fall as Lucifer fell, you fall in flame. So it must be, for it is written on the doorway to paradise, to those who fall must pay the price. Lord, let me fight him, that
sing earlier ni Mommy Gerlina. The song is
We were
kanang-
talking about Oasis of Love. Unya, natuno nga ang
Gikanta ni Sir Jojo is
Jojo
about-
is all about kanang iyang love bitaw ni Jesus. So, oo. So,
Timing kayo ang song ni Sir
wow,
Jojo.
what a nice day.
And kanang
Nindot
tawag
kayo pagkakanta ni mo, Sir Jo.
Oo. And asa pa
Yes.
kanang
Very
Hugh Jackman
inspiring.
kayo ang dating, no?
Yes, unya human ni Sir Jojo at risulod ang ato ang usa ka mga anyag nga singer pod nga si Miss Girly Las Peñas sa iyahang
One Day in Your Life.
Bye. Thank you for coming. One day in your life, you'll remember a place. Someone's touching your face. You'll come back and you'll look around you. One day in your life, you'll remember the love you found here. You'll remember me somehow, though you don't need me now. I will stay in your heart, and when things fall apart, you remember one day in your life, when you find that you're always waiting for a love we used to share. Just call my name, and I'll be remember me somehow, though you don't need me now. I will stay in your heart, and when things fall apart, you remember one day in your life, when you find that you're always lonely for a love we used to share. Just call my name, and I'll be
Yes.
Okay, that's
Grabe ka
Girly Las
nostalgic,
Peñas.
oy, ang kanta.
Yeah.
One day in your
Maghuot
life.
atong
One day in your
dugahan.
I remember it was Michael Jackson who
Yes.
Ang original na.
popularized
the
the song.
younger
Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
Yeah, in his younger days, and I think he was still very young at that time. Okay.
Pero nindot sa paminawan kung si Girlie may mukanta no kay lahi ang dating.
Mm.
Oh, naatay gitawag
nindot
og kanang
yang interpretation.
love.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Hapit naman gud ang Valentine's Day.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, so
Mm-mm.
who will be the next performer?
Yes.
Si Sir June Villarta to sing Hound Dog.
Hound dog. Oh, hound
Hound
dog.
Dog. Oo.
You're nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You're nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never gonna rob it, and you ain't not friend of mine. When they said it was high club, well, that's just a lie. When they said it was high club, well, that's just a lie. Well, you ain't never gonna rob it, and you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never gonna rob it, and you ain't no friend of mine. Yeah? Woo. Cha-cha. Yeah. Yeah. When they said he was high, well, that's just a lie. When they said he was high, well, that's just a lie. Well, you ain't never gonna rob it, and you ain't not friend of mine. Ooh. Yeah. When they said he was high club, well, that's just a lie. When they said he was high club, well, that's just a lie. Well, you ain't never gonna rob it, and if you're not afraid of mine, you ain't nothing but a high club. Yeah. Right all the time. You ain't nothing but a high club. Right all the time. Well, you ain't never gonna rob it, and you ain't not friend of mine. Yeah.
June Villarta during the rock and roll era, no? Or era.
Era.
Yeah, rock and roll
Oo,
era, Elvis Presley, I think mo nindot mo kanta na. But anyway, we'll have more nice songs after this. Reminder again.
That portion was brought to you by Grab and Move It.
Catering services, call on Lourdes Food Products and Catering Services. They accept catering for weddings, birthdays, anniversaries, graduations, baptisms, conferences, seminars, house blessings, and other special occasions. Lourdes Food Products and Catering Services, located at 183 Katipunan Street, Tisa, Cebu City. For reservations, contact Lourdes Gomez.
Telephone numbers 2626643 and 2618072 and cell phone number 0925-893-3888 and 0922-875-1158.
Lourdes Food Products and Catering Services is willing to serve you.
Nangita ka ba og wellness consultation ug preventive health support? ozone po will help, no? So pinapapasok niya kasi po ang oxygen sa cells. So there will be improvement po ng cellular function and reduction.
When your blood are full of oxygen, well saturated with oxygen molecule, there are best outcome.
At imano nato ang atong kahimsog pinaagi sa husto nga konsultasyon sa lisensyadong doktor.
Some people, they are well versed with nutrition, but for others, they have very little idea of what the basics of nutrition are.
At kaya with ozone therapy, kung makakatulong ito para mag-shrink ng mga tumors natin.
Para sa professional consultation o general wellness services, bisitaha ang Ozone Med Wellness Clinic branches sa Davao, Bacolod ug Cebu.
That portion was brought to you by Grab and Move It.
We're back!
Yes, we're back again. And
Sir Jun.
Yes. Unya dai natay ka ng live nga audience karon nga gikan pag Cagayan de Oro.
Yes, the land of golden friendship.
Land of golden friendship. Kay doon na mag-gold niya itong nigawa sa ilang river. Sa itong gold. Sa itong, I remember that, no?
Manguy ko mi. Okay, sir. Ang atong
Actually, Sir Nino Contreras. Si Sir Nino Contreras, ganaadyo kong si CDO. Dahil lami ka nila mga milk tea houses, diha.
Wow.
Oh, I've been there, I think, 10 years ago, my first job after graduation. So, yes, very nice kayo. And then, limkit kay, no?
Yeah, and I also have a cousin there, si Ernesto Tura. And hi, Manoy Nene, how are you? Okay, so nana siya sa Cagayan de Oro.
Dagana din mo kaliwat, sir, no?
Oo, dagdag na abtan. Oo, dagdag na abtan. Mga dayo.
Managiingon para ng mga nabuhi at uglaing lugar. Unya, para mabuhi ta ato pasalamatan ng atong Lord's Food Products and Catering Services.
Very good. Nicely spoken.
Niabot na ang pagkaon.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you for the food.
Kung na may mga okasyon, kontak lang mo sa atong Lord's Food Products and Catering Services nga may mutang sa Tisa, Cebu City. O pasalamatan nato si Ma'am Lourdes Gomez o ginubanan si Chichi Buntilaw.
Okay, who else?
Go, sir.
Ang ato mga kuan, ang ato mga gitaw.
Behind the scenes.
Yes. Sa dili pa behind the scenes, ang Sinisibo ay magkalimot ha. Kung ganahan mo internet, pakunik mo sa Sinisibo, unya free na ang cable ana. Live ang ato mga dagway nga makita.
Kanindot, no?
Labi na atong ginang singit Cebu. Hamis kitag mga naong.
Of course, I would like to thank the people behind the scenes, no? Our brilliant director, Mr. Jurix Bidad, okay? And of course, the cameraman, cinematographer,
yes,
Dave Samako or Samako. And of course,
Brian Incorporado,
Dili Incorporated.
Incorporado niya si Ferdy Katubay.
And Ferdy Katubay, who makes our faces.
O ang ato ang nasa TOC, si Inday Lopez. Si Matmat.
O
si Velia.
Maybell.
Maybell.
What's her last name again?
Kuan ka na. Bilyarta na lang. Kuan.
Bregoli.
Okay.
Yes.
And of course,
atong-
our online editor sa Sinulog ug sa City Hall before.
Agyod.
Ako ni kauban, si Renato Regis. Okay, thank you.
Oh, it takes a barangay to build this amazing show, Jud,
Nga atong
no?
pasalamatan po si Nanay Dayan Limchua o si Tatay Nunito Limchua nga maogi naghimo ni atong Singit Cebu nga mapakita sa atong mga telebisyon.
Yes, thank you, thank you. Also Tatay Dudong.
Yes.
Yes. Mentions Tatay Dudong.
Okay. Onya, now, ladies and gentlemen, the end is near. Ato ni hatag kaninyo ang usa ka maanyag nga singer nga sikat na kay sa Cebu.
Oh.
Why
Si-
lain?
Kundi si Girly Lapinid Las Pinias.
Kahit na ikaw pa ay lumisan, halik mo'y di ko na malilimutan, lalo na ikaw pa lang ang minahal. Sa simula't katapusan, ikaw lamang ang nagbigay kahulugan sa aking buhay. Kahit na ikaw pa ay lumimot, mundo ko'y tutuloy sa pag-ikot. Ang bituin akala mo'y naglalaho, yun pala'y sa ulap lang nakatago, katulad ng pag-ibig mo mapaglaro. Di ba sa simula sinabi mong walang matitiyak, kaya't ligaya habang kapiling kay ligaya'y walang hanggan.
Wow.
Yes, girly, Lapinig Las
Soulful
Peñas.
song.
Pagkanindot sa pagkakanta, habang kapiling kuno ligaya walang hanggang asa ka mangitaan na.
Oo, Jud.
Oo, mo naging diha.
Sir, ko ang muhay ko. Ay, to my mama and papa who are watching in City of Naga, Cebu. And
Yes.
speaking of City of Naga, I want to say thank you, of course, to my dear friend who is the owner of Chris Beauty Salon. Actually,
Yes.
Sir Jojo Gania, ganan siya. Magpa-haircut daw dito, mo visit siya sa Chris Beauty Salon. So, my hair and also my face. Thank you so much, Chris! I love you!
Kanya plugging kita ko nga unyang tataod atong mga alas 6 sa gabi ana mi din sa Dohera Hotel kami ni Andong Jonglao, Laura Flores dudungo ug uban ni Miss Belia Obiansa ug si Miss Eme Filomeno nga naami gig diha unya. Ala, kung gidahom tan-aw sa kong personal adto dayon mo dali.
Hi, Ma'am
Okay,
Amy.
dito maglangay ato na hatag ang sunod nga mo perform special kay ni maghilom-hilom gyud ta kay lami kining kantaha.
Makahinomdom ko aning kantaha, the song Memory, kay mauning nakapahimo nako og national champion way back 1983.
Inana may ka multi-awarded diri tanan.
Yes.
Okay.
The song of Barry Manilow, Memory.
By Sir Jojo Labella.
Midnight, not a sound from the pavement as the moon lost her memory. She is smiling alone in the lamplight. The wither leaves collect at my feet, and the wind begins to moan. Memory, all alone in the moonlight, I can dream of the old days. Life was beautiful then. I remember the time I knew what happiness was. Let the memory live again. Reason street and seems to be a fatalistic warning. Someone mutters and the street lamps sputters, and soon it will be morning. Daylight, I must wait for the sunrise. I must wait for the new life, and I mustn't give in. When the dawn comes, tonight will be a memory too, and a new day will begin. Burned out ends of smoking Speak
Wow, grabe, uy.
Yes.
Teary-eyed ko. Nice kayo. From
Oo.
the movie Cats also, no?
The Cats.
The Cats.
Oh, nindot ka.
Makapasayaw ta.
Yes.
While naghilak ba? Very Broadway.
It's all cats.
Oh,
Di ba?
yeah.
Dickory. There's a lot of tongue twisters in that.
Yes.
So-
Oh, now, magpasalamat sa tanan sa ato ang mga friends na nagtano sa Sing It Cebu. So, netong finale song para sa audience.
Okay. Since we are Sing It Cebu.
Yes.
We will sing.
Yes.
Sing a song.
Sing out loud, sing out strong, sing of good things, not bad. Hello, Tatay,
Sing of happy, not sad.
Sing a song.
Yeah, that's my nickname.
Make it simple.
last your whole life long.
Don't worry that it's not good enough for anyone else to hear. Just sing a song. Your song.
Your music.
Your listening pleasure.
Sing it. Sing a song. Make it swirl. Sing it along. Sing as happy could be. Sing for you and for me.
Make it simple to last your whole life long.
Don't worry that it's not good enough for anyone else to hear. Just sing a song.
Your song.
Your music.
Your listening pleasure.
Sing it, Cebu.